Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today we're going to take a quick look at the budget beater Chevelle. I was able to get our steering problem taken care of. We asked you guys what to do out there. Y'all said just beat it in with a hammer, so we just beat it in with a hammer. This video is just going to be a quick rundown of the budget, so I'm going to go over that with y'all real quick. Y'all tell me in the comments below if you think we're mishandling funds, if we're doing alright, if we could be doing better, what would you do different? Just kind of let us know. We'll start off with, we got $1,800 in the car itself, and then I have $200 in fuel and labor going and pick it up. We paid $1,000 for the motor. We paid $200 for the transmission. Paid $40 for the headers. We paid $100 for the shifter. Paid $50 for the seat. We paid $50 for the torque converter. We paid $60 for the fuel cell. We paid $77 for battery cable and spark plugs. We paid $75 for a battery. We got $90 in brake stuff. We got $30 in U-joints. And we got $15 in the lower control arm for the passenger side. So that puts us at $3,787. So we're gonna have a little bit of money to work with when we're done. So hopefully we'll be able to reach our goal with this combo. Tell us what you think in the comments below. And you guys have a good day.